Now we will discuss TCP IP model and also Telnet and SSH. First, TCP IP model. TCP IP model stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. It is the basic protocol of the Internet. TCP IP protocol is a communication protocol. TCP IP is a combination of two separate protocols. First is TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, and IP, Internet Protocol. TCP IP is a set of rules or protocols governing communication among all the computers on the internet. All the computers on the internet communicate with one another using TCP IP protocol. Millions of people use TCP IP protocol every day to send email, chat online, play online games without ever being aware of it. It means that though we are sending emails, chatting with each other persons, playing games online, we are making use of this protocol, but we are not aware of it. This model was developed by Department of Defense, United States. More specifically, TCP IP dictates how information should be packaged, sent, received, and how to get to its destination. That is how the data should reach its proper correct place. TCP divides a message into packets that are transmitted over the internet and then reassembled when they reach at their destination. As already told, suppose this is the data, it is broken down into small packets. These are packets. Each of this is a packet. TCP checks packets for errors and submits requests for retransmission if they are found. Internet protocol tells packets where to go and how to get there. Internet protocol defines IP addresses which is used to identify systems on the internet. It means that internet protocol defines IP addresses which is used to identify where the data is to reach. Here we can see that TCP is Transmission Control Protocol, IP stands for Internet Protocol. TCP IP model consists of four layers: application layer, transport layer, internet layer, link layer. Now, what is the difference between IP and TCP? IP and TCP are the two protocols that work together for reliable delivery of data over the networks, especially internet. The main difference between the two protocols is the layers that they reside. TCP belongs to the transport layer and IP belongs to the internet layer of the protocol suite. TCP worries about the accurate data transmission rather than fast delivery. IP gives priority to the accuracy of location of data delivery than accuracy of data. It means that IP gives priority to the fact that the data should reach the correct destination. Whereas on the other side, TCP is concerned with that the data which is being transferred should be accurate. Now, what is Telnet? Telnet means remote login. Suppose we are sitting here in India. Suppose this is suppose the other computer which is in USA. One of our friend says that I am not able to read, or there is some problem in my PC, then what is the solution? Then you, while sitting in any part of the world, can get the access of that computer and find out what the problem is there in the settings of the computer. This is possible with the help of remote login. The administrative offices or the IT experts make use of remote login to find out what problem is there in the computers which are installed in the other parts of the other parts of the country. Telnet is protocol used to log in remote computer on the internet. Telnet is not a secure protocol. It lacks authentication policies and data encryption. With the passage of time, Telnet's use has declined in favor of secure shell or secure socket shell due to serious security concerns. Computer which starts connection is known as local computer, and the computer being connected which accepts the connection is known as remote computer. The remote computer can be physically located in the next room, next town, or in another country. When the connection is established between local and remote computer during telnet operation, whatever is performed on the remote computer will be displayed on the local computer. Suppose you have taken the access of the remote computer on your computer, and in that computer you have written 1, 2, 3. The same picture will be reflected on your computer. Now, what is the meaning of SSH? SSH is also known as secure shell or secure socket shell. It is a secure protocol for remote logins. It is an encrypted protocol designed as a replacement of Telnet. It is a network protocol which is widely used by network administrators to connect to remote devices securely, execute commands, and move files from one computer to another. It transfers files over a network by using the services of other associated security protocols like SFTP, SCP. SSH basically created a technology by which everything that a person typed on local machine was encrypted on the local machine, transported across the internet in encrypted form, and decrypted at the remote machine. It means that suppose you have taken the remote computer on your access, taken the access of the remote computer through SSH, then whatever you type on your local computer, the same is also reflected on the other computer. But in during this process of transmission of data, there is encryption of data. Here encryption takes place at the local machine, and at the other hand, when the encrypted data reaches the remote machine, here the at that place decryption takes place. That is, the data takes the original form. Now, what is the meaning of secure copy protocol? SCP stands for secure copy protocol. It helps in transferring of files between two connected machines over a network in an encrypted form. It uses the same authentication and security as it is used in SSH protocol. SCP is known for its simplicity, security, and pre-installed availability. Now we will like to conclude this course. All the computers on the internet communicate with one another using TCP IP protocol. TCP IP protocol is the basic protocol of the internet. Internet service provider is the company or organization which provides the internet related services to its customers. A modem is a device which converts analog signals to digital information and vice versa. In networking, protocols means the set of rules and guidelines that help communication between computers on a network. HTTP is not secure as data is not encrypted while the data is being transmitted, whereas HTTP is secure as the data is encrypted before it is sent across a network. FTP sends data in plain text format, whereas SFTP encrypts all of its data before being sent to the host. POP3 and IMAP are the protocols. Both are used to retrieve mail from the mailbox at the mail server to the recipient's computer, but IMAP mirrors what is on the server, whereas POP3 downloads the emails to your local computer or local device. SMTP is a network protocol which is used for sending emails over the internet. TCP IP is a communication protocol. It is a combination of two separate protocols, TCP and IP. Secure Shell is an encrypted protocol which has been designed as a replacement of Telnet. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.